This is the boat that came in. It was just raising cane when you turn it left or right, which is indicative of a worn out gimbal bearing, which is a little strange on a boat this new. But we've seen a few things strange on it. One, this is a gasket we pulled out, and it's just odd to me. It shows that it's been off not long ago, probably, and someone reused the gasket would be my opinion of that. But anyway, it was raising cane when you turned it. So go ahead and turn it left and right. Other way. And that's quiet as it can be. Go ahead and straighten her up and put her in gear. Okay. All right, and another thing we sort of noticed that was a little odd was on the dry joint, they've been off of there. You see where it's leaking, and they use black silicone, which is not necessarily what you do, but you can tell it's been off because those are broken. And you can tell the intake's also been off because the paint's off of the bolts to hold the intake. So some things have been done to this engine, but we just wanted it so it didn't make a whole lot of chattering noise when you steered it, which it seems to be quiet now.